market had a very interesting day today. Gold and silver sold off so hard. My portfolio took a massive hit. Massive. I was expecting a pullback, but I wasn't expecting this. This was my pullback mark, and it shot right through that. Didn't even hesitate. All the way down to like down here at this kind of support area. There was some news that this vaccine was going to get released from Russia or something, and the market just took a massive hit. I mean, the gold and silver market did need a pullback, but I think this just enhanced the pullback and gave it a reason to pull back further. I think it was a little bit overextended, like a lot overextended, but we'll see what happens. Maybe we'll get a retest at 21, which would be pretty bad, because that means I literally lost like 20%. Like I could have had a 20% gain if I sold, but I mean I didn't, which kind of stinks in hindsight, but I was not foreseeing this today. Gold down 5.5%. We're now at a fair value, the fair value line of 6-month distribution. See that volume though, so much volume. My big portfolio hit was AG, down at 12% basically. I lost a lot of money today, but it's okay. Just we have to have this patience and whatever. Let's look at the SPY though. The SPY was very interesting. So the market was up all day, right? Okay, this is the daily. Look at that. It was up right at like 2 o'clock. It just started tanking. I'm not entirely sure what happened at this time, but it looks like a bunch of news. I mean, obviously a bunch of news happened, but I don't know, probably something virus related. Basically, market tanked the last like 10 or hour of trading. AMD got hit really hard. We're at this kind of resistance level or support level. This doesn't mean I'm gonna take a position on AMD. I'm just saying it's fallen and it's getting into a better buying opportunity. I think it's still kind of extended for me, but just be put on the watch for a possible trade. Right now, I'm not in any trade really. Yeah, I'm not in any trade. I had a good trade yesterday. This day, I was like, I think this is a leveraged ETF for silver. I was like, silver's probably gonna go up. So we had like a 2 or 3% move. One company I was looking at is STLD. We were looking at this a while ago. I don't remember why. I guess Castile, and it's in this like 2 standard deviation or 1 standard deviation zone. It broke out of this 3-year like trend, downward trend. It's looking kind of appetizing. I might take a position just for a very kind of long swing trade, probably up to this 5-year standard deviation zone. And this trade, I guess, is a trade in hope the economy recovers and people need steel and whatever, just something stupid like that. I don't know about that. If I definitely will take that trade, but it looks at on a 5-year time frame, it looks very appetizing. That's all I'm saying. Let's see what else. Neo. Here's the thing about Neo. It's just look at the volume. That's all we gotta see. Buying, sells up, buy, but like to me, the volume with the candles just shows that people don't want it anywhere above the IPO price or the IPO all-time high price. I mean, that's my uneducated opinion, but I think Nikola too. Oh no, they did very well actually the other day, but then they're back at this support level of $40. AA was a cool trade too. I mean, I didn't take any trade. I'm still watching it, but look at the volume too. Not that much. There's more volume into the move than downward. This actually looks really interesting. I think tomorrow morning I'm gonna watch this for potential bounce play or something. I mean, I was again watching this all down here. I don't know why I didn't get in at these prices. You can clearly see it's holding this support, and when it falls below, you got these. Sorry, I'm making you nauseous. And when it falls below this support level, it gets bought right back up. This candle was very iffy though on this day, but other than that, it's getting bought up. The airlines moved a lot this morning, but you can see they got slapped back down. That basically happened with everything. 5 minutes of trading. Yeah, literally, or not 5 minutes, like last 2 hours of trading fell pretty hard. It's interesting how that happens. I think Simon Property Group reported, I think yesterday after market, they did pretty well. Or at least the price of the stock went up, so I'm assuming that means good things. Just looking at a bunch of random stuff real quick. I think Apple got pretty. Actually, Tesla announced their 5-to-1 split or something, which is, I guess, wise because it's just so expensive. I know ExxonMobil too. Yeah, a lot of stocks were trading very high up. This was up like 3 or 4% at one point. Now it closed at 1%. But the main reason why I wanted to make this video is just to talk about this huge move out of silver and gold and my huge hit in the portfolio. Like, look at this. This just fell off a cliff, down 10% in like 2 days. And this is like all the big KL too. I think there needed to be a reason to sell out of gold and silver for temporarily because the move just got so extended. But I think this move got hyper extended, and we'll see in like a week or so if it bounces back. I think it will, but I would not be surprised, especially gold, to retest. What level is this? 175. What is this from? Probably 185, 175. This, I don't know. Yeah, again, this is the first attempt at all-time high on GLD. Probably it shouldn't have shot above anyway. So we'll probably see this retest some lower support. I don't think it's gonna get to 160. It seems way too low. And then we'll attempt to break out. I think the economic conditions and the hype, is not even the hype, just the understanding of what's going on in the world is gonna push more money into this, or at least gold and silver. And I'm just trading these because it tracks the asset. But yeah, anyway, short video. Gold fell 5. Is this like the most gold's fallen even during the March era? We have like not even a 5% drop, or maybe even this day, about 3 or 4% this day. Yeah, this was such a large drop, 5.5%, crazy. Anyway, just a short video. Thanks for watching, everybody, and I'll see you guys during